Well, if you had to sum tonight up, it was blame it on the rain. Wellsville had a very above-average passing attack, above-average running attack. Canisteo had a very good running team, and when it's like this, obviously advantage Canisteo, and that's what happened with the 24-6 victory. The Lions were able to throw the ball. Receivers did a great job. You're going to see some really great videos and some incredible interviews with the kids and coaches. Just a lot of fun out there. A bittersweet end, but you know what? The program's on their way up. Want to thank the people who made this possible for us to bring these games and to get out to this in the rain, including LaForge Disposal, where business is always picking up. I also want to thank Circo Construction. Let's try this again. I also want to thank Circo Construction, locally owned, guaranteed roof construction. They're been a sponsor all year long, and again, we want to thank them for helping us bring these games, and it's been a great season.
Move it! Short! Short! He's short! He is short! He is short! Ah, let's go!
Boys, hey, keep working hard. Fight through adversity. I know this weather sucks. Doesn't matter. Let's play ball. Let's play ball.
Hey, listen. I want, right now, Right there, outside! Ball!
Steve down. He never had it.
Hey, stay with it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Hold that ball! There you go!
There we go.
There you go. Thank you. Hey, Jared! Jared! Hey, friend! Hey, babe! I need a little bit more physicality, okay? A little bit more physicality. Let's go deuces. 90. Out. There it is. Go! There it is, Jared! Coming to you, Dalton! Coming to you! Go! Yeah! Let's go!
Pleasure. It was awesome battle.
I'm grateful to all the coaches and all my teammates, my brothers. I want to thank them for everything we've had, I want to thank God for all the opportunity, and just it's a privilege to be out here and play in this wonderful country. And I'm glad we had a good season and we all had fun and nobody got seriously injured. So I'm thankful for that.
First time you've ever played in something like this?
Yes, sir. It's definitely going to be a game to remember. That's for sure. It's fun in its own way.
Like the weather forecast, did you?
It's not the best when you have to change game plans when you've been practicing all week on what you want to do tactic-wise. But I mean, it's part of life. You have to adjust and overcome a lot of issues in life, and weather's going to keep on playing. Life goes on. I mean, pretty much the second half of the season, they've been trying to really attack on John, especially with the wheel route, and the inside, the middle seemed to be working. So I just tried to lob it up for Dalton Ketchner, and he went to work with it.
6.
Yeah, I mean, if you take away the 2 big plays they had for their 2 first scores, it's a game, seriously, and it's just part of simple mistakes that end up being huge plays for them.
After the game, I heard the coaches telling you seniors you turned the program around. How did that feel?
I mean, it's a dream come true, from, sophomore year, only winning 1 game, every year. It's truly a blessing to see that us seniors have really turned this program around, and we hope it keeps on rising up as time goes by.
Yeah, I mean, it was fun. It was fun to all come together, especially us seniors. We were able to bring faith into our team, and I think it really struck. And I think just bringing that 12th man into our team really opened up a lot of people's eyes, not just on our team, but around the community too. And people pick up on that. And really, I wish I had 5 more minutes, but I think everyone does. I hope I could get noticed out there maybe and continue my football career. I don't want to be done.
Yeah.
I'd play every game like this if I could keep playing right now.